My people, I don't bring una update from Bolu Okupe, the son of Dr. Doyin Okupe. For now, where they are aware, I will bring una the matter before. Say the son come outside, come declare say him be gay. But now the father don't come outside, can't react to the matter because the father dey vex, the thing don't pain and finish. And now the father don't come disclose the in fact their deepest secrets. According to the father, he say he give am the name Moba Oluwari. Na Yoruba name wey mean say I work with God, because the time when he give am that name, he been just giving life to Christ according to the father. So now the son don come back, come give him father another reply. In fact, these two just they blast their self. I don't know why they know they see for house. People, now the son don come outside, come write for internet, you understand, regarding the father's speech. He don come outside, come tell us say, listen o, he say they are mad and they will remain mad. Omo, no be small case o, father and son. And now the father come dey talk say this one na spiritual battle, because he know say pikin wey him born, like say he no suppose carry this kind character. Say where he come from. My people, na the matter wey dey happen now for these people family. Na him be say the father now he dey super disappointed. Ha! Abeg make una stop dey send una children go America. Una wey know una sef, stop dey send una children dey travel. If you know say you no go dey monitor am, no leave am there. Because for that place, they meet different people, they meet different characters. Now so you go just go now meet person wey dey into same sex. And you know say Africans, we too dey easily influenced. Any small thing like this, you go see African people don't follow. They no even want know wetin dey behind or wetin dey for front. Abeg, see na abeg I dey beg una. Dr. Doyin, Mr. Sir, abeg o, na you I even come talk to now, because e be like say, you no really give your life to Christ that period. Assuming you give your life to Christ that period, this boy no for come out like this. Maybe you no focus well, you understand? Abi na the wicked things wey una as politicians una dey do people. Una see wetin I always dey talk about. Politicians, police people, una children na im dey pay for all the things wey una dey do. Una never even start this one. This one na dey learn work. Make una wait small. Na so all of una go dey come outside. They go dey expose all of una. This one, mumu, na your father you dey refer to as is mad, and he will continue to be mad. Your papa wey born you, if you know how many people they look for who go train them, take care of them. E get many people wey no get papa again. You even get, you come dey tell. See, bia, the thing wey you do dey wrong. First of all, you be gay. After, see my people, I don't know whether una even understand how critical this matter dey. Imagine you wey dey watch me now. Whether man or woman, you get pikin, you don train am, you don spend money finish for school. Now when your pikin suppose come house with wife or with husband, make come tell you say him be gay or him be lesbian. Omo, no be heart attack straight. Abeg, my people, my prayer for us, make we no go born wetin we no go fit understand. Na my prayer. Because this thing now, I don't even know where this man wan start. Try. See fine guy wey suppose dey date fine girl, like I no talk that, like he suppose date fine girl, you understand? But now don't go spoil himself. Hey, Chineke. Politicians. Politicians. Hey. I no go talk past this one o. Make una repent. Start dey adjust. You understand? Because this one na just the icing on top of the cake. Oh, the main thing dey come. Relax now. When all of una children don't turn bandits, they don't turn another thing. Now they una go start dey treat people well. How una dey treat una citizens? Na questions one I want make una carry that question go sleep. How una dey treat una citizens? Una think say God dey sleep? You do something today, you go free, you think say that it don't end. He go meet you. If he don't meet you, your children they there, he go catch them. Now like that life be. See them now, their family, in fact everywhere for their family don't scatter. Nah, never start. I beg you, my people, no be smart, no be any advice I get for this family. Send them. You understand? They go receive them. I bet we get another interesting matter for here. Leave those people when they don't know their left from their right. Police people, resign if your work no dey pay you. Resign, oh. No be by force to do police. No be by force to wear uniform. I know say many of una now, the thing don't even tire una. Na just say wetin people go talk. You understand? Abeg resign. Nobody go talk anything. Resign. We don tire for una. Na people matter don meet me now. Person dey go on im own before you know it. Na so police people come stop. I think sure say many of una go even know the man. Na actor Alish. Police people come stop am. One policeman come tell am say, bros, where you dey go? He go say, I no understand. Na so the officer come tell am say, your plate number, one dey back, one no dey front, say na abroad number. In fact, my people, many matter. This guy end up dey go withdraw 25,000 naira for this policeman. Abeg, no be from my mouth una go hear am alone. I wan make una hear from the horse's mouth. Biko, join me, make we watch the video.
I don't know how to say this, but I have to say it because I'm tired of it. Is it every day I have to withdraw money to give to police people? Our government pay these people so they don't behave like a lady. I was driving today along Magodo to a salon. These RRS people stopped me. Oh God, what I do? You don't offend. How I take offend? You have customized a plate number, yeah? I'm like, yeah. Is it an offense? They said, yeah, you don't have it at the front, you only have it at the back. Oh God, he did inside my car. No way I go put them for front. Oga said, okay, you have Kiniko, let's go to tax force. As we done the drive go, and I saw Oga talks, okay, who you be? Oga, I be nobody, I be citizen. Oga comes inside, done the maker, and now saw Oga talks, okay, let's drive down to the GTB, anything for the boys. No, this is getting too much. Every day, I don't have money in my car. We went to GTB to withdraw 35,000 to fair paying. No, na de gbe bondani to ba jale nko.
Now, wow. Hey. How police take no say na GTB this guy they use? And no, like police people now don't they do jazz. So once you see citizen or once you see person, you just know say na this bank this person they operate. Me 25,000 give police are they crazy? Except see my people, except maybe now the next world we go come. Me lie una no go even see me. Forget that thing. All of una now una go dey talk say you better make you settle police, make you go free before they go harass you, before you go do this one, before bros, now you gree give them that money. Because that thing no dey work for everybody. Now you gree give them that money. Just like that. I mean, they put jazz for mouth. They just tell you something. You said you go withdraw 25,000. No, like I know you understand. You count 1 to 25, then you give police person. Olori burukuni. I don't want to believe say this NSAS protest where we all of us do they in vain. Because now people be like say now police attitude now they worse. Until they use one of una for scapegoat, now they on eye go open. I beg, see, I don't bring advice for all the people where they drive for this life, for this Nigeria. I don't bring una correct advice. This one, you no go fail. Now, with that they think now, make everybody, I no go advise una make una go do juju, e no good. But if not to pray to God, make everybody start to pray. You know what they think? Immediately policeman stop you, they ask you for money. You know, say some of them go even sit down on a car, say, let's go and withdraw. Like the one will happen to this man. My people, my suggestion now be say, if something like this will happen, we immediately they sit down, they disappear. Hey, I go happy. Imagine if this thing happened to 1, 2, 3 policemen. All of them go change. Now, so if they see you, they drive, they go even shift, make you pass. Nobody go even disturb you. Now, wait till they at least when 1 don't experience and 2 don't experience and the country will be free. All this thing they happen because none of them never even pass through something. Una go soon meet una meter. Una go soon meet una meter. They do una like play. Anytime anytime police see person, una no dey, una don't even forget una duty. The only thing wey una dey una head na money, 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 money. They go soon give una money, una go turn to foul. Wait, e go soon reach. Now everybody dey study una. Federal government, hope say you dey see all these your uniform people. I just dey ask because by the time we start another protest, I no wan hear say Nigeria Buhari na go come dey call us wetin he call insult youth before, say they dey jobless, say they dey plan. I no wan hear any insult o. By the time we come second force, just dey watch, because e be like say they do like say they no dey see, they no dey hear all these things wey dey happen. My brother, you even dey lucky. You dey lucky say maybe na because you give them money, because on a normal day, even that your car when you come outside they do video, they by the time they carry that your car disappear, you no go even see phone say they can't do video outside. You say if you go with that money where you for at least just call me, Madam Aproko, how far now? I want to send you something. You for send me that money, make I know wetin dey happen. Just there, you don't go dash policeman money wey no even deserve. No make a vex with you because you can see I come here in a good mood. No change am for me. Government, pay your police people. Pay your police people so that they go avoid on all this embarrassment. Pay them. Because they disgrace una no know. Una think say na only police with the insult. See, oh, anything, any matter we get to do with uniform people or citizens, now una head e dey, because now una dey on top that seat. No wonder e dey very hard. Before una hear say police person or politician go heaven, e dey very difficult. Those people, in fact, I dey sure say some of them even know already. Like now, why did they do the malice they go? Because for their mind, they don't conclude say, after all, no be hellfire we dey go. Now why they still they do am? Because I never hear case. No, I never hear say person die. They can't tell us say this person go heaven. No, I don't hear that before. No, I never see anything. Bia, my brother, that 25K where you give that policeman, if you know wetin good for you, just go send my own. No, send my own, because it be like say I don't see say you no even get anything to do with money. Come outside the brag say you send 35,000. I bet my people na the matter be this. So in fact, right now Nigeria they hot all in the name of police. Everywhere don't scatter. I beg any comment we wanna get for this guy. As you don't go waste money, and I dey sure say as long as money dey involved, all of una go get something to say. I will drop am for the comment section though, make him hear am, you understand, and share this video so that everybody go dey alert, because NSAS protest too needs to start. Don't forget to subscribe if you never subscribe. Click on that notification bell so that you go dey notified anytime we drop another video. I love you guys. See you later.